Hi guys, you're welcome back to another vlog. Today is one of those days that I'll come back from work and my energy level is like this, is at the top. Yeah. So in the last vlog, I said IKEA came to my workplace and they gave me some things. They gave me the Ziploc that I showed you. So this is the full pack of the Ziploc because I've used out of it. So that is why it is like this. So this is like the whole pack. So they gave me the big one. This is the big one I used for the dry fish. And they also gave me like a medium size. Is it medium or small? I think this is small. The small size as well. So I can use this one to pack maybe anything. Anything. I pack a lot in Ziploc. So I can use this one to probably pack grilled turkey, grilled fish, grilled whatever. So it's going to be there. So one is 1.2 liters and that's this one. And the other one is 2.5 liters. So they gave me this one. They also gave me these artificial flowers, which I love. I love it so much. So they gave me 3. One is in my class, and this is the 2 I have at home to decorate my space. In fact, I've already used it somewhere. I just took it out so that I can show you guys this one. So they gave me this as well. What else did I get? I also got this bag. So everything was inside this bag. So you just carry it like this, and then they will just give you everything. It was inside this bag. So they also gave me this egg whisker to whisk egg, and this is like I bought like egg whisk, whisker or whisk, anyone. I bought this thing for like I've bought so many of it. Is that this place will remove or something will happen? But with this, I'm seeing quality. I don't think this one would remove because it looks so good. So yeah, I'm happy I got this. And I also got a mixing bowl. I got a mixing bowl as well, a medium-sized mixing bowl. This is enough for me actually because my baking, I've retired from baking, like big baking. Meanwhile, I was a baker in Nigeria. I did a lot of bubble. I was a baker. I was in wedding cake, birthday cakes, a lot of things. Yeah, I did sewing. Though the sewing part was was personal. I was just sewing for myself, clothing for myself. What else did I do? I did customized bags, which I will sew myself, and then I'll give those that are printing to customize, maybe for your event. Like for my wedding, the customized bags. Okay, I just cut it. I had once I had a sister, like a friend's sister, that was also into sewing bags, like customized bags. So she was the one that helped me sewing free of charge. But I did the cutting and then she helped me sewing. She's so lovely. She's like a younger sister. So for my wedding cake, I baked it myself. Yeah, his sister also decorated it. They don't want to use wala to kill me. From the beads, there was a time I was also doing beads. Yeah, when beads was raining, then I was also doing beads. The only thing I didn't do was wire works. If you remember wire work, raise your hand in the comment section. The only thing I tried to learn it, wire works. If you remember wire works, I tried to learn it, but my mind was not really there, so I just left that part because I paid when I wanted to learn baking and all these things. I paid like full decoration, baking, fireworks and all that, even decoration too. When I went for the event like 2 times, that my oga will ask us, that was during my service year, that my oga will ask us to carry chair, carry this, and me, I'm a very flexible person. I was like, I beg. So I left decoration and then I faced baking. Although my oga collected money, she did not eventually teach me. That one is by the way. So it was a friend that now taught me free of charge, and Amdala, God bless you. Okay, so yeah, they gave me this for maybe once in a while baking, mixing and all that. I have this bowl. What else did I get? I guess okay, I also got a spatula. This is also baking tool, spatula to do all the mixing and all that. Also, I have a baking pan. So when my children are celebrating their birthdays, you must have seen this if you have probably watched my previous vlogs. I make cakes for them. I can do butter icing, I can do fondant. Yeah, I was a baker, but I've retired, like from the business. But I still make it for home baking. Yeah, I still do that. So that was all I got from IKEA. Thanks to IKEA for giving me all these things. Okay, so today I intend to do a lot in my kitchen. I intend to like do deep cleaning. Like I said, this is one of the days that I'll come back from work and my energy level is still high. Sometimes I'll come back that I cannot even lift my finger, but today I don't know, the energy is just there. So I want to deep clean this kitchen. I'll do part of my laundry that I'm expected to do on Saturday, so I'll do that today. And then on Saturday I'll have like minimal cleaning to do. My Saturdays are always very busy, but doing part of this today is just going to make it easier for me. Okay, let's start somewhere, maybe with the laundry or with anything, and I'll carry you along through this cleaning. Okay. I also cleaned this rack. This rack is for my spices. So I keep all the spices I use, some of the spices, most of them here, except for the ones that cannot, space cannot accommodate here. Then I keep them in the cupboard. So I got this curry from Nigeria. Yes, this is part of the thing I got from Nigeria. I got this big curry masala as well. This is from Nigeria. I prefer the curry, our own curry, but I also love the Indian curry as well. I love it when I use it to cook. So these I got them from Nigeria. I use garlic powder. I use ginger powder. I use turmeric powder. I use curry. I use thyme. I use barbecue seasoning. I use soy sauce. I use vinegar. Yeah, I use vinegar, but that's just occasional cases. I use vinegar as well. I use barbecue sauce, like I said. I use salt. Yes, I use salt. Everyone uses salt, but some people don't use salt, but I use salt. I use minimal salt. I've reduced my salt like drastically recently. I've reduced it like drastically. I use minimal salt now. I still use seasoning cubes, but I have reduced my salt like drastically, and I've actually gotten used to it. That's just something about salt intake. You're definitely going to get used to it. If you reduce it, the first few weeks might be somehow, but definitely you get used to it. My family members as well, they've gotten used to that. I also got this soya spice from Nigeria. This is a big one. I got this from Sweet Treats from Nigeria. I've gotten soya spice from her before, which is good because some soya spice is shocky, but this one it's actually good. Yeah, it's actually good. Okay, so it's time for me. I've cleaned the oven. I've also done the laundry is already in the washing machine doing its job. Very refreshing. Maybe I had energy before. Now I'm very tired. I have laundry going on in the washing machine. I have the second batch. I have one going on in the dryer. Summer should come. I want to stop using this dryer so that I'll be able to dry my clothes outside. So I have one batch in the dryer. I have my dinner here. I have egbo and ewa. This is leftover, so I just got it out, microwave, and that's what I'm having for dinner. That's what I'm having for dinner. Goodness, I'm actually very tired now. When I'm done with this laundry, I'll just go and sleep and prepare for work tomorrow. I'm still going to work tomorrow. Tomorrow is Friday. Yeah. And tomorrow is Red Nose Day. Tomorrow is Red Nose Day. So the children, as they told me that they said they should wear red tomorrow. Red. I don't think they have red clothing. So after probably my dinner, I'll go upstairs to go and look for to go and look for red. I know one of them has red pop socks, one of the girls, have red pop socks, so I'll probably go and look for that. I don't even know. We shall go and look for red. All these school activities, I can't complain because I'm a teacher, so I can't complain. Yeah, I'll go and look for red, and I'll just probably do minimal body care, brush my teeth, and go and sleep. So I'll see you guys in another video or in the course of the vlog if this is going to continue. Bye guys.